Today we will make one ping pong game. Let me show you this game first so that you will get an idea like we are making this game. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, boom. Like this. Okay. Okay. Or suppose if I miss this ball. Okay. Suppose I miss this ball. Let's see what happens. You can see that life like it is decreasing and game over. Okay, so this is the game which we will try. Like we will make this game today. You can see basically we have 2 or 3 lives, or even you can put any number of life. It is up to you. Let's go back. So I will press create new. Right. Wait. Oh. Okay. So it's loading. Let's go to backdrop and let me find that tunnel. Okay, this is the tunnel, Neo tunnel. I will add one red zone here. Okay, if you want, you can add any color, but I am adding a red zone here. Okay. Initially, I want to fix the position of this paddle. Like whenever the green flag is clicked, this paddle must be present here. Or where is paddle? Here, or anywhere. Okay. So we will go in the motion. Like here we have go to X and Y. And in the same way, we can write for the ball like 0 and 120. Okay, like here 120, like this. So whenever the game start like this. Our paddle will present here and the ball will present here. And now we will make one variable here, like the variable called life. Okay, and even if you want, you can write the life as hurt or anything. It is up to you. Let's go to variables. Variables are nothing, just like it is just like a container or like indefinite thing. It is used for storing some values, data. Okay, so let's make a variable here. We will make one variable. I will name it as life. Okay, even if you want, you can write it as hurt or anything. Okay, wait. Life, and also I want this life for all the sprites, so I will select this. And also I don't want to store this thing in my cloud because I'm using this life only in this game, so I don't want. Okay, let's add life here. Okay, and also I want to show this life here, so I will not hide it from here, but if you want, you can hide it. It is up to you. Okay, and let's add one if condition here, like if the life like now like if the ball touches the ground. If the ball touches the ground, we lose our life. We will set the value of life to 3, 4, 5, whatever number. Whenever when the life becomes 0, whenever the life becomes 0, the game will stop. Right. So let's add this thing here. So I will go in controls. Here we have if. Let's add one if here, and we will take help of the operators. This equals to operator. Like we will take help of this equals to operator, and we will go in variable. Let's add the life here, and I will put this thing as 0. And also I will do one thing, like we will add weight, a very small weight, and then we will stop all the things. Like we will wait for let's wait for 5 seconds. I'm just adding a random number here. You can write here 1 second, 2 second, it is up to you. Okay, I'm just adding a random number here. Okay, we will wait, like jab bhi life 0 hoga, then we will wait for 5 seconds. You can count for 5 and the game will stop. So basically we have to add one instruction here or block here, stop all the things. So basically we have done one thing, like when the life becomes 0, we will wait for 5 seconds and then we will stop this game. So basically we will have to do some codings in such a way, like if it touches the edge, if it touches the ball, if it touches the border, it will bounce back. This is the simple thing which we have to implement here. Okay, now we will use one forever loop here. Let me remove this. Okay, we will add one forever loop, and inside the forever loop, we will try to implement the thing like if the ball touches the paddle, it will bounce back. And also if the ball touches the edges, it will bounce back. We'll try to implement this thing here using the blocks. Okay, let's do. Like for doing the same, we will use if condition here, and we will use the sensing part. So you are hearing me, right? So because of why? Like because of the ears which you have, right? And this is the part of our sensing, right? And in the same way, we are doing the same here, like how the ball is going to know, like the ball touches the paddle. So for doing this, we have to use the sensing part. right? This is the sensing part. This is the sensing thing. The ball is sensing the things like, yes, now my body, my things just touches the paddle, right? So for doing this, we will use the sensing part. Okay, this is the thing which you have to understand here. Okay, so I will write here like when touching, like I will write here when touching edge or paddle. You can see like we are getting two options here. So first of all, I will do one codes for like if the ball touches the paddle, it will bounce back. Okay, so I will write here. I will write here like also when the ball touches the paddle, now I want to reward something to our player. Okay, so first of all, we will change the score by one. Like here we have change score by one, or you can give reward any number. You can give him 2, 3, 4, 5. It is up to you. I'm just giving 1 point for this. And also I will do one thing. See, you can see here, like I have added here, like when the ball touches the paddle, we get one score for this. And we will point in the direction. Now direction, for the direction, we will use the random part. Achha, let me explain you why. Achha, let's put some random numbers here first. I will write here -80 to 80. It means that whenever the ball touches the paddle, it will bounce back in this direction, this direction, this direction, any of the direction. That's why we have added this thing. Like whenever the ball touches the paddle, it will bounce back in some random direction. It is not fixed that every time the ball will jump in the straight, like bounce back in the straight direction. No, we don't want this case. Let's add some movement in our ball. Okay. So I will add some different codes here. Like when the green flag is clicked, I will add a separate green flag here. When the green flag is clicked, initially I want to hide this ball, so no one will know like where the ball is. So let's add a small hide, a very small hide. Like we will add a wait second for a very small wait here, and then we will show this thing. A 0.5 seconds wait. Okay, initially no one is going to see like where is the ball, and suddenly the ball will appear here. Like we will show this thing, like show, and we will locate the position of the ball. Like every time the ball, like we have located the position of our paddle now, like every time our paddle will be start from 0 and -20. In the same way, I will specify the position of our ball too. Like I will write here 0 and +120. Okay, +120 is in the upper side. Okay, okay, fine. And we will also again do the same thing. Like we will point in the direction of 180. Like here we have used this thing as 90, but I will change this to 180. 180, fine. And now in the forever loop, I will add we will add motion to this ball. So motion we will write here. Like we have already added the motion in our block. Now we want it will bounce back. So as I've already shown you this block here, like it will bounce back. So it's time to add the thing, like the point will get reduced. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so we will write here. थोड़ा सा नीचे करते हैं. I will send you the codes of this thing. Like I will send you the things in the chat box, so you can like use the same codes for you after the class also. Okay, so I will write here like when the green flag is clicked, like here we have this green flag. Inside the forever loop, I will write here if the ball touches the red color. If the ball touches the red color, we are going to lose our life by 1. Okay, this is the simple thing which we want to implement here. Let's add a forever loop here, and inside the forever loop, I will add the sensing part. Here in the sensing part, we have this thing if touching color from here. Like we don't know now which color is this, the exact color. So we can pick this color. Like if the ball touches the red color, then change score by -1 and also the life by -1. Right? It means that we are going to lose one score, 1 point, and also our life 1. Right? So let's add the thing here. Like we will go in variable. Let's add this thing, change life and change score by -1. Okay, -1. Even if you want, you can write here -2. Okay, like you can score by -2. Right, fine. And also we will wait for a little, like 0.5 seconds. Uh, this is optional. If you want, you can add, or even if you want, like you can skip this state. Okay. Now we will do one thing, uh, we I want to finish this game like when the score becomes greater than 10. Like let's see like how what are the things we have added here. Like let's see like if it is play. You can see like we lose 1 point. Our life is right. It's -1 point, right? The life is -1 if you see. Okay? But we want ki whenever the life becomes 0, we will like end this game. Acha, this we have done one mistake here. I will change life by -1 and the score by -2. Okay, life by -1 and score by -2. Okay, this is the thing which we have to keep here in the mind. Right, fine. Acha, now I want ki whenever the score becomes greater than 10 or 20 or 30, I will end this game. Okay, I will end this. It is possible like we can end this game right now here only like if we go in, select backdrop, go here and simply duplicate this thing, and if you want you can add one text here like this: game over, game, oh sorry, game over, like this. So let's add the sprite here. Acha, we will add like make one sprite. Simply I'm going to keep this thing very simple for me. I will write here game over. Okay, and let's increase the size of this game over so that it will completely cover the whole screen. Even if you want, you can add the gradient thing from here. Like let's select some different color. Game over. You can see it's looking good. Game over, right? And in this game over, we will add some lines here. Like when the green flag is clicked, we will write here like this. Initially, I don't want to show this game over here. So I will hide this thing. Like we will go in looks. We will hide this thing. And then we will show this thing after some time, like after a small wait. I think wait we have here. Like I will add here wait until. Okay. Wait until. We will use this. Then show and stop all. Stop. We have stop all here. And we will use one operator. Where is operator? Okay, so we'll use this operator, this operator. And now we will put the variables here, like life. If life, you can write here if life is. You can put any of the things. Like agar life 0 ho jaye, you can stop this thing, or if you want, you can write here. So let's put life here, and I will put here 0. Okay. Okay. Achha, let's try. Let's try. I'm pressing the green flag here. You can see life is 1 and the score is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Achha, let's lose the point. We have lose the 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, and game over, right? Okay. Acha, I'm leaving the game in the chat box with you. Like I will share the link of this game. So this game is called Ping Pong Game. So you have to try this game. Like you have to make this game. Okay. Like, okay, copy link. Copy this link from here. And I will write this thing in chat box for you so that you can use this thing. Okay. If you want, you can use this codes for you and make the ping pong game, right? Okay, so this is the ping pong game which we have made today. Like you can see, it's working properly. Although there are various methods available for making this game. Like if you want, you can make this game in some different types. Okay, it is up to you.